I have something to ask. What is it, Flash? Why are we here? You know why? I say no. That means someone's in trouble. And it's our job to protect the world and its people. That's right. So everyone be on the lookout. Huh? John, can you read anything? I could try to read its mind. So, what does it say? Are that gross mutant turtle? It has been defeated by an invasion. It was come to get our souls. But who? I don't know. Huh? What's happening? Who are you guys? We are the Justice League. Are you a threat? No. But can you tell us what happened? So you guys are the good guys? Yes, we are. Can you try to explain anything? Because we heard that there's been an invasion in our distress signal. Okay, here's the story. Over a million years ago, we have our souls. And it's our duty to protect them. Because if we don't protect them, we could die. So who's the invader? Chimpanzee Grodd. There's the leader and the mad one. The mad one? Yes. And once he gets the hand of our souls, he can erase half of the universe. And that's why we gotta protect them at all cost. So, do you know where you could be heading? He might be heading to where the cube is. But hold on, I think I know where. He must be looking for someone else to get the souls. But where? Kryptonite. The Kryptonite has the souls. And we must get there fast. If he gets to the Kryptonite, that he can get all the powers he can get to get all the souls. That's right. And that means we gotta head there fast. Well, hopefully we're right there here. I got an idea. Who's your team? What team do you belong to? The Animal League. So, do you know where the Animal League are? The towers. Hopefully it's not being attacked. But I gotta get there fast. Well, hold up. I think I got an idea. How about you, Mia, and Barry can go to the Animal League headquarters while you three can hold off the Chimpanzee Grodd thing. Do you know where that is? Yes, I do know. Okay. They're not trying to rush. Let's go. Shh. Don't wait. See you later, baby. Well, do you know where it's heading? According to my signals. And that tower over there. Let's go.